Hello there, welcome to my channel. Debbie here with another painting. Today we are painting a flower. The reason why I decided to paint a flower is just to give me a break from the portraits that I've been painting lately. I also want to be able to evolve from a realism style to a more abstract style. I am trying to find a way of how I could merge a more abstract style with elements of realism in it. That's why I decided to paint this piece. Another reason to why I decided to paint a piece like this is to help me push my imagination, to help me explore beyond what I see. Despite me using this as a reference and it being not straight from my imagination, that's the direction I would like to take with my paintings. I would like to evolve my style and to be more content with what I'm creating. What I mean by being more content is just for me to be able to build confidence and to be able to have that evident style in every piece that I create, and also to be able to express exactly what I want a piece to show. This piece is a little bit different from my usual pieces because my main focus was the background. I was trying to have a background that's more hazy and less restricted than what I usually do. I first blended in the background with the darkest colors, and then I let the oil paint dry for more than 24 hours. I came in with lighter hues and tried to paint the background and make it look more blurred out. So I had to make sure that my background had that sense of blurredness and hazy look to it. Despite it being a small piece, it was quite challenging to paint. And the reason why I felt this was a bit difficult for me was the fact that when I was putting in the white lights, blurred lights in the background, it didn't make sense in the beginning. It wasn't what I wanted, but I kept pushing. As with all paintings, you have to push through until you get what you want. So it took a bit of time for me to actually really like the results because I had to keep on coming in and readjusting the background as I went on painting. I love painting flowers, and aside from flowers, I also love painting sea creatures and portraits, water. Those are the main features in my painting, or I would say that's what I find myself always drawn to, and I paint those features mostly. And when I paint separate features like a portrait or a flower, usually it's a build up to a bigger piece, and it's more or less helping me to understand the techniques I could use when I get myself to paint a bigger piece. So this piece was a very good study for me, and it's helped me see how or what methods I could use to create certain effects that I would want my pieces to have. And that's all I have for you guys. It's just something small. It's a small piece, but it took me longer than even the editing. It took me quite a long time to create, and I just wanted to share with you guys how sometimes I just push myself and try and explore different mediums and different styles in my paintings, just so that I can be able to evolve with my paintings and develop more. That's it for today, and thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye.